As I always do, I'm bringing you guys news, what's happening in trucking industry. And you know that we are teaching how to dispatch trucks, safety and compliance. And for our followers, I want you to consider the new product, which is already entered the market. And we're gonna ask, why is it different? Are they better? And what is it gonna do for the freight dispatchers? So let's ask them question.
Hello, hello. My name is Luke Beck. I'm one of the co-founders of DataTruck, and happy to be here.
So what is this product gonna do for freight dispatchers?
Sure. So DataTruck is a TMS that automates all the processes within the trucking company, starting from load management into safety, maintenance, accountant, HR, and etc. Specifically for a load dispatchers and updaters, we have a TruckGPT AI, which automates their document parsing and other document parsing as well.
So most of the dispatchers are gonna say, are you trying to replace us with AI? So are you gonna replace us, or what are you gonna do with this
Exactly,
product?
that's the really good question. So we're working on AI agents, AI dispatcher, AI updater. AI updater will be released next week, hopefully, and then AI dispatcher will be released within a month. So we need to understand there are two types of agents, two types of AI. Autonomous AI and assistive AI. So the thing that we're building currently is assistive AI. We don't want to replace dispatchers. We want to speed up their processes. We want to speed up processes. If we speed up processes, it's going to be a lot of savings for owners and beneficial for dispatchers as well. Why? Because they will be able to do their own work much faster.
So are they gonna be able to make decisions better? Let's say knowing the operational costs, optimizing the routes, maybe
Exactly.
checking on backhaul at the same time. Is that gonna be one of the features that you guys working on, or maybe it's already there?
Well, in fact, route optimization based on the profit and loss is already in our DataTruck. So, for example, when you register a load, when you get the rate confirmation, our DataTruck TMS will calculate all the tolls and fuels and will optimize and will tell you which route is best for you to choose based on the toll and fuel optimizations.
Okay. Since you were talking about updaters, so is it gonna be faster process of giving updates to brokers? Is that gonna generate emails? Is that gonna give notifications? Is that gonna be maybe giving you some notes or reminders what you need to do as a dispatcher?
Absolutely, absolutely. So our AI updater, it will be able to send all the updates about the load automatically, either through the email or the phone. That's one thing. Another thing is AI updater can do is whenever a broker can call you or send you email, our AI updater agent will be able to understand the question or the message, and then it will be able to get all the necessary data from our TMS solution and then answer automatically. And then before answering, we would want to make sure that AI updater is in the loop. We don't want to send automatically. We want to first notify the AI updater, and once AI updater confirms that that message is good, then we'll send it automatically.
Okay. What about the biggest problem now? DET is blocking people, truck stop is blocking people for the fraud prevention. Are you trying to go after and create the maybe brand new load board, or maybe work with them so you can include the load board inside of your TMS?
So yeah, well, today we're working on with different load boards, DAT, Truck Stop, Uber Freight, and other load boards. We're integrating with them so that dispatchers will be able to find their loads automatically and easily using our solution.
So if I am subscriber for your TMS, I don't need to go and log into DAT1 or Truck Stop. I can just do it inside of your software?
Well, of course, you need to have a account and membership in their
No, it's
and
understandable,
DAT
but
and
I don't have to log in 3 different...
You don't have to.
Okay.
Exactly. Yeah, so you don't have to log in. Once you just log in through our system, that's it. So that's it, and then afterwards we'll be able to get the loads automatically from there.
So when we talk about pricing, how affordable it is for the smaller companies, we're talking about companies from 1 to 4 trucks, which is actually approximately 65% of the small trucking companies.
Absolutely, yeah. So we believe that our pricing strategy and the pricing model is really affordable for truck owners, and we have like multiple tiers and plans based on the number of trucks. Up to 5, it's $99, and it goes beyond that based on the number of trucks.
What if, let's say I start using you guys and I decide I do not want to continue? What's gonna happen with all the backup of my data
Sure,
and transfer to different TMS? Do you?
That's a really good question. Yeah, we have a workaround for that problem as well. So if you want to take your data with you, so we can export that data for you to upload to another TMS or to user in a Google Sheet or somewhere else.
Are there any contracts or they're month-to-month basis?
It's month to month.
Okay,
It's month
so
to
that's good. So if I don't like it, I can say goodbye.
Sure.
Okay.
Yeah, yeah.
How many customers do you have at the
We
moment?
have customers more than 300.
300. So that's your 300 customers or 300 users,
300 business.
businesses. So when we talk about users, what can we estimate?
Oh wow, estimation is a lot. It's a lot because one, as you know, truck company may have 100, and we have one more, which 1,000 trucks and millions of users.
So are your plans are flexible? Let's say if I have an account and I have 5 users, is that kind of
Sure.
affordable?
Yeah, sure. So we know that our platform will be really beneficial for the truck companies who has more than 5 trucks. We believe that we can give it as much as beneficial information and reports, and we can automate their processes if they have more than 5 trucks.
And do you guys set up demonstration or send some files so people can actually compare you to others? Or
Sure.
how does
Yeah.
it work?
We have all the videos and help docs available on the internet. People can see them, watch them, and compare with other platforms. And we're pretty open for any competition.
Okay, well, thank you so much for sharing this news.
Thanks
and
so much.
We're gonna tag you, and of course, we're gonna start sharing this new product.